STUDLY Vegan is a daily cooking show for anyone interested in delicious food, period. It's a show that even those without any kitchen experience can follow because we cook in real time.
Cooking your own food is empowering. And when you use ingredients that are healthy, sustainable, and compassionate, that's STUDLY.
Everyone is trying to eat better, but they get stuck
Because the emphasis is always on what you can't eat. Think about what you can eat.
There are over 40,000 types of edible plants, including beans, seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. 40,000. Now a whole new world of possibility opens up, doesn't it?
When I started, I went to as many vegan restaurants as I could, and I cooked my way through every vegan cookbook I could find, and I went to every farmer's market and organic market I could get to. Eventually, I arrived at a style of cooking that really works.
I can show you how to go vegan, and I can show you how to do it properly, how to make it healthy, and how to make it delicious.
The show is set up so that you can cook along with us.
With a new episode released every weekday. I'll show you what to buy every week, and you'll never waste anything because everything we buy will be used in a recipe that week. And because of the changing growing seasons, there's always more fresh fruits and vegetables to explore.
So come and cook along with us. See what happens when you take the time to smell and savor and work with your hands.
People will be amazed when they try the dishes you create.
And nobody has to know how easy it was.